Welcome to Business Review, your trusted source for comprehensive coverage of today's business updates. Venezuela's struggling economy is a major issue in Sunday's presidential election, with President Nicolas Maduro aiming to persuade voters that the nation is recovering after years of turmoil. We have Shelby reporting on this.
Thanks to recent efforts to reduce the cost of living, the outlook has slightly improved. In February, Venezuela finally ended the hyperinflation that saw annual price rises peak at over 400,000% in 2019. Now, annual inflation is more manageable but still high at around 50%. Mr. Maduro has been eager to take credit for this reduction, claiming it demonstrates that his policies are effective. However, these policies have done little to address the economy's fundamental structural problems, particularly its historic reliance on oil at the expense of other sectors. The U.S. Council on Foreign Relations describes Venezuela's oil dependence as a boom-and-bust ride since oil was discovered in the country in the 1920s. Opponents of President Maduro are hopeful that a change in leadership under his rival, Edmundo Gonzalez, could revive the economy. Jason Tuve, Deputy Chief Emerging Markets Economist at Capital Economics, suggests that an opposition victory could lead to the reopening of Venezuela's trade and financial relationships with the rest of the world. This would also mean the end of U.S. economic sanctions imposed after Maduro's controversial 2018 election victory, which was widely criticized as unfair. These sanctions have hindered the state-run oil company PDVSA from selling its crude oil internationally, forcing it into black market deals at significant discounts. However, Mr. Tuve warns that reversing the economic decline of the past decade will be challenging, given the substantial investment needed to boost oil production and with peak oil demand approaching. Venezuela's economy can never get back to where it was 15 to 20 years ago, he tells the BBC. It will be starting largely from square one. Back to you, Bella.
Thanks for that update.
Thanks for tuning in to Business Review for your daily dose of business updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on breaking stories and insightful analysis.